Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to multi-selection for filter in Slicer. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have a data with the Slicer. To select the multiple products, simply select the first product, and you can see the filters is applied of one product. And to select the multiple product, just hold the control key of the keyboard, then select the second product, third product, and just see here the all three product is filter is applied. I clear this filter and I show you the second way to select the multiple products. And the second way, here you can see in Slicer on the header, there is a one box is showing of multi-selection. When you click on it on this box, see the selection of the box is when you click on it, the deselect the box. When you click on it, this see the selection of the box showing. Okay. When you select this box, click on the first product, second product, third product. Okay, you can just select the product those you want to filters. Okay, see the filter also added as selection of the product. Okay, to clear the filters, simply click on same as the clear filters. If you don't want to select multiple product, again click on this multi-select option and you can see the deselect this option. Now you can just select the one product and you can filter the one product data. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.